All right, so if you guys are looking for a tent, an outdoor tent that you can use for your carport, you can use some of this. This is a 10 by 20, so it took me probably an hour to set the whole thing up from ground up. If you guys notice, it was just me by myself. Make sure you guys drink plenty of fluids when you're doing something like that. If you do it with people, it's going to take even less time and faster and easier. Now, if you guys notice, I didn't do it with instructions because this has lasted me for a couple years, that I constantly keep using the same system, except for the actual tarp. I replaced the tarp once, but been using this great system for quite a while. And if you guys are looking for something similar to this, this is perfect. So hope you guys enjoy the video.